On the treble and the bass clef, we have covered low notes and high notes, but with only 5 lines and 4 spaces, that's only 9 notes on each staff. There's a lot more than 18 notes. If you just look at a piano, then you can see there's many, many more. Theoretically, you could go above and beyond, way up in the stratosphere where only dogs can hear, and way down low where I don't know who can hear. But you could continue forever and ever. To get notes that are above and below the staff, then we use what are called ledger lines. And those are simply lines that extend the staff temporarily. So, in other words, we don't write an entire extra line when we need a staff. We just write a short line to get the note that we need. Now, on the treble clef, the highest line was F. So that means just above that line is going to be the note G. Now, if you want to continue that up, we would just draw a short line here. This is our ledger line, and that's the note A. Then, continue on up. To get the space above that, simply draw the line, and draw on the space above, that's B. And then the next line would be C. Again, you can continue up. That's as far as I'm going to go for right now. You can also write ledger lines below the staff. The lowest line was E, so just below E is going to be the note D. Then, draw a ledger line, we have C. Then, just below that, we have B. And then, finally, below that, we have A. Again, you could keep going further and further, but that's where we're stopped for now. Now, bass clef, same principle. The highest line, in this case, was A, though. Next space up is B. Then we have C, D, and then E. Below that, the lowest line is G. So go backwards, we have F, and then E, then D, and then we have another line, which is C, simply working backwards. Okay. Now, ledger lines can get confusing because a lot of times you're trying to count the lines and stuff, but again, with practice, you will be able to recognize them pretty quickly. So do some practice with this. That concludes the theory portion of Unit 1. In the next section, we'll be talking about some rhythm ideas. Okay, so do some work with this, and then I'll see you in just a moment.